Now that you know how to create a line chart, I want to give you an assignment. Your first task is to create a line chart to track Ether historical prices. By the way, Ether is the cryptocurrency of the Ethereum blockchain platform. Many people call it Ethereum, but the correct way is Ether. Ethereum is the blockchain platform and Ether is the cryptocurrency used on the platform. After that, create another line chart to track Tesla historical stock prices. For these tasks, it's not necessary to use styles or other fancy options. Just draw the line chart. You take both Ether and Tesla stock prices from an online website. For example, you take the Ether historical price from CoinMarketCap and Tesla stock prices from Nasdaq.com. I'd recommend you to read and parse the websites using pandas. In the next video, I'll show you how I would do it in case you get stuck. Good luck!